Hello guys, this is Cassie. So I just want to quickly show you guys a trade I took on Volatility 151X, a sell setup. You see, when it comes to trading, it's all about consistently doing one particular thing. Just figure out what works for you and wait for that to always show up in the market, then consistently and repeatedly do that. A very boring process to make money. So the setup was this. My entry was from this blue line, and the red line was my stop loss, and the purple line was my take profit. This was when I took the trade and shared it with my students, because I call my trade publicly with my students. And this was when the trade hit take profit. So the trade was from the 4 hours time frame, and like I told you guys, with my normal entry model, the same thing I've been trading. I want to see this, a high that was taken out, and I want to see what a liquidity. This guy has a liquidity, and this guy has a high that took away this guy. This guy has a liquidity. So this is what I want to see, you understand, when I'm looking out for a sell. So let's go back to the market. So we had this high that was taken out by this protected high, and we had this liquidity. Price came, took it away, and sold, and here was my take profit. Now, what was the story, or what was the top-down analysis behind this particular trade? Let's scale down to the higher time frame. Coming to the monthly time frame, you can see that Volatility 151X is bearish. You understand? Now scale down to the weekly time frame. When I took that trade, I waited for price to tap into this fair value gap here. You can see that the trend is bearish. So it's all about patience. So after this green candle was formed, remember this blue candle here was my entry, and this red candle, red line here, was where my stop loss is. All I needed was for price to tap into this fair value gap. And once price filled in this fair value gap here, this imbalance here, I knew that this low was in trouble. Now, once price tapped into it, the next thing that happened is, coming to the daily time frame, this was what happened. We had a lower low, lower high, a lower low. Now this is our lower high, and this is our lower low. So my setup was formed here. You can see that on the daily is also bearish. You understand? So that place price tapped on was where price now gave me my entry model, which is 1, 2, and 3, and I capitalized it, and I made money off this trade using. This trade was just 1:2 RR trade. It took 3 days to hit take profit, but it was worth it. You understand? So these are the kinds of trade you want to be in, and these are one of the things I'm looking out for whenever I'm finding or I'm waiting for quality setup. You can see this was when I got the notification that the trade has hit take profit. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to be seeing more content like this, all you need to do is follow us on Instagram, Trade with Cassie. We are also on TikTok, Trade with Cassie, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel, Trade with Cassie. God bless you.